Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we are going to unbox one mini tripod. I will show you, it's very cheap tripod. You can buy that one only in $5 US. So I will show you, it's a very little and mini tripod. You can keep in your pocket as well, and it's a flexible tripod. I ordered this one from AliExpress. I will give you this link in description if you like to buy, so you can buy through that link. It's one only just $5 and it's a flexible tripod with 360-degree movable head. You can see this head you can move in any direction. This one mobile holder or mobile clip, so you can easily hold your mobile device with this clip. I will show you. Only you need to put like this and your mobile will be hold. So let's install this clip with this tripod. You need to move this clip 360-degree, after it will become tight. So you can also tie it from this down screw. If you want to move this one, you will lose this pin. This is also nut, but be careful when moving any screws because it's very small, otherwise it will damage. So lose this screw, and after you can move in any direction 360-degree, any position you can make like this. This one very flexible and very good legs. You can move this leg as you like. You can move that type. After you can fix this, tight this screw. Let's talk about some its highlighted features. It's a flexible tripod for mobile. Also there is a Bluetooth remote for selfie stick available. If you like to buy, you can buy also Bluetooth remote for selfies. This tripod allow you to attach your phone or your monopod with this tripod for better quality picture. It support mobile 5.5 centimeter up to 8.5 centimeter. So it's mean it's support the mobile of 2 into 3.5 inch, which is normal mobile width is in between 2 to 3.5. so you can use any mobile with this tripod clamp. It's a completely flexible tripod. You can move from any position, any direction. It's a hard plastic, it will not easily damage. You can see its leg also movable, 360-degree movable leg, and also very easily can keep any position. This one rubberized, and this feet also rubberized feet, so easy you can keep in anywhere. Just 60 to 75 gram weight of this mono tripod, and it will support maximum up to 300 gram weight it can support, and its total length is 17 centimeter or 170 mm. I will show you after clamp on my mobile with this tripod. For hold your mobile, you just need to put like this way. After you will tight this one screw, keep one position. You can also use as a selfie stick, a small selfie stick. You can see for holding, you can keep on any position. It will hold your mobile. So as you can see, I hold my mobile. I will move its position. So you can see my mobile is in with this tripod, or you can make it straight anytime, anywhere, any place. So you can use this one for many purposes, like tripod, like table stand, like a selfie stick. So this cheap and small tripod will give you lot of benefit, and its quality also looking better because it's a hard plastic material and flexible material. So I think it will not easily damage. So you can see, you can use this one like a selfie stick as well. So holding also good of this tripod. So I will give you this tripod link in description for Amazon as well, AliExpress as well. If you like to buy from AliExpress, you can buy through AliExpress. If you like to buy from Amazon, you can buy through Amazon. Its price just $5. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly support me and by subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friend. Have a good day. See you next video. Take care. Bye.